Ever feel like creating a viral video is an impossible uphill battle? What if there was a way to transform that struggle into a seamless journey? What if you could craft engaging, viral-worthy videos in just a few clicks? Introducing Topview AI, the AI-powered platform that's revolutionizing the way you create video content. Topview AI harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to simplify your video creation process. No more tedious editing sessions or creative roadblocks. With Topview AI, you have a smart assistant ready to bring your ideas to life, quickly and effortlessly. Just go to Topview AI, full script of the video by scrolling down. Link also available in the description. First, you need to go to Topview website. Then you have to click on the Sign In button and sign in with your Google account or Apple account for your choice. After signing in, you will be directed to this page. Here you will find 4 types of tools. First, avatar marketing video tools. Second, photo talking avatar. And then third is AI voice generator and video script extractor. And last, real-time chat avatar is coming soon for you. Now let's first try out this tool avatar marketing video. So just click Create Videos with AI. First step, you have to copy the URL of any product you want to, here like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, and more. Just for example, I want to make an ad for this product from Amazon. So you have to copy the URL of this Amazon product and go the AI Top View tool and paste the product URL here, and then just click the Analyze Link button. After that, you have to wait a bit. So you can see here it has taken out samples of our product. You have to select Show and Samples and click on Continue. After that, you can see product title and video description by generated this AI tool. Also, you can change anything you want. After that, you have to select the ratio of the video what you want. So I want 9:16 ratio of the video. After that, you have to select the language of the video. So I will select English. After this, you can select the voice as per your choice. I will leave it on automatic and then select the avatar, whichever is best for your product. So I will select this avatar. I think this is the best for my product. Now choose a good background from this and click Confirm button. And then just click Generate a Video. It took 1 to 2 minutes time to generate your video. As you can see, this has completely prepared our video. You can edit something here if you want, but I think these lines are perfect for my product. Now wait for loading. After this, you can see that it has made our video ready. So now simply download it. Let's watch the video. How is it made?
Every second in Korea, 3 of these bombs are sold. This is the Kafi Seoul bomb set, and it's taking the world by storm. 3,000 units in just 3 months? That is wild. The multi-bomb moisturizes your skin instantly, giving you that glam glow. Say goodbye to dry patches and hello to radiant skin all day. This balm is perfect if you want to fight wrinkles with.
Oh my god, this is perfect for my product. Now let's move on to our next AI tool. Its name is Photo Talking Avatar. Click on it. Now if you scroll down a little bit, you can see here this avatar that you can do for yourself.
Hey there, tech enthusiasts.
Welcome to topview.ai.
Let's try converting a photo into an avatar, for example. I want to convert this girl into my avatar, so I simply download her image. After downloading, you have to go back to your AI tool and upload the photo which you downloaded for Talking Avatar and wait for it. Now you can type whatever you want to be called through this avatar. For example, I can get anything written through ChatGPT so that we can see. After this, you have to select your voiceover for your avatar. So I will select this and confirm it. Let's generate a video and you can see the result.
An AI language model designed by OpenAI. My purpose is to assist, inform, and engage with you through conversation. I can help with a wide range of topics, from answering questions to generating creative content. I'm here to provide support and insightful dialogue.
Now let's move on to the third AI too. You can see this AI voice generator. Let's see how it works. Enter the text you want to AI convert to audio. For example, I want to convert this to audio. After that, you have to select your voice avatar and click on Confirm button. Let's generate a video. Our video has been downloaded. Let us play it for you now.
The BMW M3 is a high-performance sports sedan renowned for its thrilling driving experience.
Now let's move on to our fourth AI tool, is Video Script Extractor. Let's click on it. You need to paste the URL of the video whose script you want here, like YouTube, TikTok, and more. For example, if I need the script of this video, copy the URL of this video and paste it here, and then just click the extract. You can see it after a while. The script of the video's ready. You can check the full script of the video by scrolling down. So now that we understand the tools and how they work, don't let the challenges of video creation hold you back any longer. Unleash your creativity and join the content revolution with topview.ai today. Start using topview.ai for free right now. But wait, there's more. Unlock premium features with our starter plan for just $14 per month. Need even more for your business? Upgrade to our Pro plan at $49 per month and take your content to the next level. Whether you're a budding creator or a business aiming for viral success, we have a plan tailored just for you. Topview.ai makes it easy and affordable to create videos that captivate and convert. Get started today at topview.ai. Don't wait. Your viral video success story begins now. The download link is in the description. If you don't understand anything, please write in the comment box. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video with a new AI free tool for you.